Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with AWeber on Integromat. To begin, we will look at the available templates for AWeber under the template section, and I'm going to start with this one, add a subscriber to AWeber with data from a jotform submission. To begin, you just need to select the template and click on create new scenario from template. Select your organization. Assuming you already have a jotform set up, you select the webhook for the form you want to watch submissions from. And then on AWeber, you need to have your connection connected. So if you haven't already done that, you can click on add, name your connection, click on continue, and you'll see a screen like this. And here you need to authorize Integromat to access your AWeber account. You'll have to enter your login name and your password to do so. And of course, click on allow access. I'm going to shut this because I already have my connection added here. And then I select my account, select the list I want to add the subscribers to. It loads a custom field, so all your custom fields will be loaded here. I'm just going to map this to the custom field and the email address and the name. You click continue and the template is ready. Now to test it, you just need to click on run once and submit this form to trigger this scenario. So I'm going to quickly submit this form here. Got my name, and I'm going to enter this email address. And here you go. The scenario ran successfully and the subscriber has been added to send in blue. I'm going to show you another template here, this one. So this is basically going to send a message to Slack when a new subscriber is added to AWeber. So had we had this template set up, and if this was on, then I would receive a message on Slack right now because a new subscriber was just added. So you click on select the organization. And of course your AWeber account has to be connected here. You select the account and the list you want to watch for subscribers in. You can specify a specific ID or select on all, or you can even choose manually. So let's just choose the latest subscriber here. And then of course your Slack connection has to be added. You can select where to send the message. Could be a specific user, a channel, or a private channel. And here you need to create the text that you want to send to Slack. So I've created this with the name and the email attributes from AWeber. And I click continue, and you need to save this and just click on run once, and you will see that there you go, the scenario executed itself, and it sent this message to my Slack: new subscriber added, name and email address. So yeah, that's it. Enjoy using AWeber on Integromat. Thank you.